for this tutorial, you will be needing to start at this coral tube, just so that you can get the best, experience on finding it. I recommend marking this area with a beacon and calling it 0 point. It's this coral tube, not the other one that is somewhere around here, if I could get on top of this. Not the other one, which is right there. Mainly because this is the middle of the map, and that is just another area. That is another point. I usually always start for this one. Other tutorials might say you should start from that one. I always just choose this one. Anyways, you have to start from this. Today, I'll be showing you how to go find Moonpool fragments. This is the safest and easiest way to find Moonpool fragments to easily get the Moonpool. You can also find a bunch of other goodies, including vehicle upgrade console for the Moonpool here as well. So let's get into it. So, what you're going to need is at least a sea moth and a sea glide. There's no danger in this area, but you also probably need a high capacity O2 tank, mainly because, maybe even a rebreather, mainly because we're going to be going around to a depth of 200 meters. Don't be scared though, there's nothing in this area that can hurt you besides little tiger plants. Anyways, let's hop into the sea moth and get doing it. So what you want to do is you want to go 1.5 clicks of southwest right here, and just follow me. I won't cut away in this part, I'll just show you how to get to it. Now, I will be using console commands to make the viewer, to make you guys, be able to see exactly where I'm going. Now, once you see this giant ledge here, you want to go over it, and you'll see a bunch of spikes. If you see these spikes, you're in the right place. So now, what you want to do is you just want to follow this. Also, another good way of being able to find this area is if you have life pod. Where is it? Why isn't it here? If you have life pod 19, it'll bring you to the same area. But still, you just want to go 1.5 clicks southwest. But once you start to see this giant hole in the ground, you'll see the wreckage right here, and that's where you want to be. Now, if I hop out right here, you should be able to find a bunch of Moonpool fragments. I probably took all of them in my playthrough on this save, but you'll definitely be able to find some here. There's also a bunch of data boxes that you can use to get a bunch of other stuff. Let's see if I can find one. Right there, there's one. This is also a good area to find time capsules too. I found 2 here. Oh, so look, you can find prawn suit, torpedo arms. There's a bunch of goodies around here. Yeah, I probably took all the Moonpool fragments. And this is a thermal plant. Also, pretty much if you just explore this area a little bit, you'll be able to find a lot of good stuff. So, in this area, you'll be able to find rubies and diamonds and other stuff that you're gonna need later on. Look, there's a Moonpool fragment right there. You'll also be able to find gel sacks and a lot of other stuff. I want to see if I can find a ruby for you guys. Look, boom, right there. And that's basically it. But you always have to start from the 0 point. That's pretty much it, guys. That's how you can find Moonpool fragments and a bunch of other goodies. See you in the next video.